how to fix AirPod not connected with your iPhone. For that, first open your AirPods and press like that, and then it's now flashing or reset. Then again, now simply turn on, off, and turn on again. Once you turn on again, then you can see AirPods is connect. Press on connect. Now here you can see it's connected. So if it's not working, the another way is simply go to your setting, and go to Bluetooth, and from here you can see the AirPods. Turn off your AirPods. That's mean it's disconnect. Now press this eye icon. Now press this forgot device. Now let's open your AirPods again. Now here you can see the connection is available. Now press on connections. Now it will be connect again. So that's it. This is how you can easily connect your AirPods to your iPhone without any issue. Thank you. Have a good day.